Hi, and welcome to Cloudgeni, all-in-one AI-enabled cloud platform for your cloud compliance and security. So in the other video, we were showing you how Cloudgeni helps you to stay on track of your security and compliance issues, fix and remediate and locate the issues that you might have and help to get rid of them in one click. So today we will talk about an important feature of Cloudgeni is AI DevOps Teammate, where whether you want to offload some of the work your platform engineers need to do or enable your developers make complicated tasks in infrastructure space, here Cloudgeni helps you. So by going into AI DevOps Teammate tab, we can see all the tickets that we already logged in our GitHub repository for our own infrastructure space. So here we log all the issues and we can read them here. And we can also create issues directly from here or from GitHub interface. And the variety of tasks that could be done via Cloudgeni are not limited. We can provision and delete new services, spin up new test environments, or do large refactorings. All of this Cloudgeni will pass with flying colors. It will take context of your infrastructure as a code, understand the intent, and use the best practices and modules that are found in open source or the ones that we have created internally with our experts. Our agent will find the best solution that fits your organization, your specific requirements and policies. So here we will see how it works in action. Now that it finished a job, we can run another job while we checking what's been done. So agent created a pull request where it explained the issue that we were trying to solve. It's a small utility VM on staging environment. We haven't specified any details. However, Cloudgeni understood from this small requirement and context of our environment, it created a small Linux VM staging environment. So here is it explained the changes that it made in natural language form with all the necessary infrastructure, and more importantly it ran all the tests, and in this case since it was a Terraform code, it ran Terraform validate and Terraform plan to ensure that the changes that have been provided are fully admissible to cloud infrastructure. So here we can see that in our Azure staging Terraform code, it added a new service with all the necessary network. So here's our Linux virtual machine, and it used all the best practices when it's trying to do so. Here, how you can easily maintain and set up new infrastructure in one click. And let's take a look at how even more complex scenarios will look. Just like another issue, we can see that Cloudgeni created a pull request with a new Kubernetes cluster on the EKS on the AWS platform. So here it had even harder problem because our original repository was in Azure. However, we wanted to create a cluster on AWS. So let's see what it did, and we can see that it created all the necessary infrastructure to support it. And let's take a look at the code. Yes, so it created a separate provider for AWS, allowing us to have multi-cloud environment in our Terraform code with all the necessary information to set up everything from network requirements, from routes, IAM, to be able to set up our EKS cluster. So here we can support even more complicated scenarios, whether you want to completely new greenfield projects or change your existing infrastructure. Cloudgeni can help you with very little effort. Thank you.